To block someone's number on Redmi A5, all you simply have to do is first go into the phone application. There are two ways to block someone's number, and you can block some number from these recents on your phone application. If you find some number in the recents which you want to block, you simply have to go for this number, and all the way down you can find the button to block it. And here, from there, press OK button, and now this contact, this number is blocked. And this is the first method to do this. The second one is you will have to go for these three dots on the top right corner and go into the settings. And right here you can go for the block numbers, and there you will be able to see all of these numbers that you are already blocked. And there is the button to add a number to block calls and texts from. So simply here you have to input the number manually, and from here, as you type in a number, press this block button, and now this number, as you can see, is now blocked. And that's how you can do this.